Wait, wait. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another vlog. This is a Q&A slash vlog. Me and Caitlin are going to Reading, which is like hour and half drive from Chico. You want to say hi to everybody? Yes, good boy. We're gonna drop Bruno to Caitlin's mom's house because it's gonna be 5 hours, hour and a half to go, hour and a half to come back, probably hour of an appointment. Caitlin has a doctor's appointment, that's why we are going. So basically, Bruno is gonna be at Caitlin's mom's house. Also, we are very hungry, so we're gonna go get some coffee and then maybe some food to eat while we are driving. Also, I'm using Sony a7S III to vlog this. This is my second vlog with this camera. Still learning how to white balance this because sometimes it's like super bluish, sometimes it's like super orangish. I have to figure out all the settings. The question is, do you see any difference in the quality? Made it to Caitlin's mom's house. Oh. Thank you, Mom.
Thank you, we gotta get going because we're already late.
Bye.
Bye, Bruno. Bye. Bruno is dropped off and now we're gonna try to see if we can get coffee. Hour 16 minutes and her appointment is...
It's at 1:30. We can't go for coffee.
We have 3 minutes buffer, so we decided to go to coffee right here. It was like very close by, so we're gonna get some coffee and then... Can I get one ice mocha?
Yeah, what size?
Medium?
Sure, we're just getting on the road now, but our...
Caitlin is just talking to her doctor's appointment that we're gonna be like 5-10 minutes late and making sure that it's still okay because it's hour and a half and we don't want to go and they'll tell us like, no, we can't do it. Also, we are waiting for bagel because we ordered bagels. They're gonna bring us. Looks like we're gonna be okay. They said that it's gonna be okay. I think it says 1:36. Appointment is 1:30. We called and let them know, and we might be able to catch up on the time when we are on the freeway or like highway. So don't worry about it. Made it to Caitlin's doctor's appointment. It's an eye specialist doctor problem, or her eyes is giving some stress or like paining, so that's why she decided to go and make sure that to check it out. Hey, and because of COVID they said that if it'll be better if I don't go inside, they can take me, but it'll be nice because they're trying to limit the people in the clinic. So I said I'll just stay outside and walk around. Look at this house, it's awesome. Looks like on that side there might be a park and there's a mountain, huge mountain right here. Is this where the monkey face is? Alright, we are in Chico. This is like few days after our Reading trip. Basically what happened is we were filming and then the camera battery died, so we couldn't film it. So right now we are coming for the sunset. We are in the upper Bidwell Park in Chico, so we're gonna climb this thing with Bruno right here. And then once we are up there, we are going to finish the Q&A. So for now, focus on the hiking. Yeah. Next time when we come, we go up there, that mountain. For now, we're gonna go on this top mountain. Before it sunsets, film the time lapse and all the Q&A so that the light is there, but no problem because we have Sony a7S III, which also works in low light. Made it to the top. Caitlin also made it. Bruno also made it. Look at the view, so pretty. Finally made it. Bruno is behind the camera. He's actually directing this thing. These are some of the questions which you guys asked, and obviously Caitlin haven't seen any of them. Let's start with the first one, which is best common movies and shows you both love. I think it's interesting because we both have very different, significantly different taste in terms of movies and shows.
I feel like movies is similar, but I think TV shows is a big one that we don't always like.
I like a lot of like mystery, murder mystery, thriller.
Blood, death, crime.
It's more of like problem solving, like how did that heist happen, how did the murder happen, and how did the cops caught them. So that's what I like seeing.
I like sentimental, like real story-based movies. Like Hitchcock and Gully Boy I've watched probably like 100 times already.
Yeah, so those are like, I mean, I guess the
Those are my favorite.
common movies is like Dangal, Three Idiots, Bahubali, Bajirao Mastani, Hitchcock, Gully
Yeah.
Boy. We also like that Dil Dhadakne Do movie.
Yeah.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. Though Dear Zindagi, those are some
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the
yeah. Those are
movies
favorites, yeah.
we like in common. And Caitlin is now starting to get into Marvel movies, so
Yeah, I like them now. They're really cool. There's like action, comedy, like
Yeah.
suspense.
so
It's nice.
I guess we can add all the Marvel movies also.
So I
in
feel
this
like there's
list.
a lot of
Yeah.
things that we like.
Next question is what is the one habit that annoys Caitlin the most about me?
So many. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, not putting the dishes away.
Basically not helping with the chores.
Not helping with any
household chores sometimes. Next question is, does Caitlin feel awkward when you are filming with her for a vlog? No. Typically when she's in the vlog, she's like high energy. If you've seen my vlogs, you've seen that. Same with her mom. Bruno probably feels awkward. He's like, what are you doing? What will you do if you become Caitlin for one day? Wow. Same question, vice versa. That's a very interesting question. What will I do if I become Caitlin? I probably will use all of her creative ideas. She's very creative in nature. So I think I'll use all of her creativeness and make movies.
My thought is like I'm taking into things I like about you that I want to add to my own life. But you're very like confident. Like I wish I could take your confidence for the day and then do all of my dreams and not like worry about so much what other people think. And also like your business and like math mind to like come up with all the things.
Next question is, who budgets the money in the house, you or Caitlin? That's me. Next question is, continue your love story vlog. Yes, we want to. Question is, does she take some money from your jacket?
Not really.
No, she would just ask if she wants the money.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever taken money and just stole from you.
No.
No.
There are people in the back. Next question is, what is Caitlin's favorite Indian food?
I love all Indian food, but I like Indian street food a lot.
Like what?
Right now, I would really like a vada pav. Or
Nice.
that, what is that one with the yogurt? It's like this.
Oh, the
what's that?
kachori. Dahi kachori.
Dahi kachori. That's awesome.
And pani puri.
Pani puri, but I like the ones that are also like flat. And that you're
Oh, sev puri.
safe puri. Because they have so much on it. There's like so many new flavors. I like those a lot.
Yeah.
All the Indian street food is my favorite.
Next question is, who farts more? You said I'd make it fun.
I think I fart more.
I think it
It's,
depends
like,
on
so
what we
awful.
eat.
I think Bruno farts more. He farts in his sleep. It's so gross.
I think it depends on what we eat. Next question is, who's the snorer? Like,
Yudi snores so loud.
I don't think so, but I think
I
people-
filmed it. So many people have filmed it. You cannot deny it. We have proof.
Next question is, do you prank each other?
No, but Yudi will sometimes be like, wake up, wake up, wake up, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's like 7 a.m. And so I wake up and I'm like,
I think that's just the Indian mom thing, because my mom would like basically wake me up 1 hour before the time, and she would say like, oh, it's already this much time, and I would freak out and I'll wake up. So I think that's
Comment
that's
below
why.
if your mom did that to you growing up. I'm really curious if it is an Indian thing.
What is the one thing I love most about Caitlin? Her heart, her kind heart. She's super kind to everybody, no matter who that person is. Like, she's very, very kind. So that's what I love the most about her.
That's so nice. Thank you.
So there are people behind us.
While I'm crying. Hey, sit.
Oh yeah. Hey.
Watch your camera, please.
Also, we have to get down before it gets super dark.
Hi. Hello.
Next question is propose Caitlin in Gujarati. This is what I'm gonna do. Here's the ring which I gave it to her when I proposed her. Gujarati. Bruno wasn't there when I proposed her. No. Okay. Alright. Caitlin, હું તને બહુ પ્રેમ કરું છું અને મને તારી સાથે પૂરી જિંદગી સાથે વિતાવી છે તો તું મારી સાથે લગ્ન કરીશ? There we go. Yes.
I was about to say Majama.
That was the proposal in Gujarati.
PR. I'm trying
No, pyar is Hindi. Prem is Gujarati. હું તને પ્રેમ કરું છું means I love you. હું તને પ્રેમ
હું તારે પ્રેમ કરું છું.
There. That means I love you. And then what I said is like, I wish to spend my entire life with you. Would you like to marry me?
Yes. Do we kiss on camera? Very quick.
It's not adult content.
No, you put the two flowers in each other, right?
Lynn said that she would like to change the answer if she would become me.
Oh yeah, if I could become Yuri for one day, I would speak Gujarati and call up Yuri's family, all of them in the day, and speak Gujarati to them because Gujarati has been really difficult for me to learn. And if I could become Yuri, I could speak Gujarati, I could speak Marathi, I could speak Hindi. What other languages do you know? I could talk to everyone. It's hard with language barrier.
This is why I love her, because her heart is super nice. Super dark right now, but obviously my camera Sony A7S III
Looks like it's like
yeah,
daylight.
I mean it's dark. I'm gonna shoot it from my iPhone to show you the difference. This is what it looks like. Look at the difference.
So crazy. So crazy.
I mean, you can't even see me. The sunset, beautiful sunset. We're gonna end the video right here. Until our next one,
Keep smiling
keep hustling. You gotta hustle.
every single day.
Also, keep loving. Keep loving. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.
I keep filming, but there are a lot of people around us.
They won't leave. No, just kidding. Just kidding.
The clarity is so good.
Is it?
Yeah. Comment below. Is the clarity so good? Like,
Or am I so good?
you are definitely good.